This bird will rob you, mock you, and laugh about it with his friends. And honestly, I respect it. Meet the kea, aka the criminal mastermind of the bird world. Native to New Zealand, this bird is so smart it literally breaks into cars for snacks. People have caught them unscrewing antennas, pulling off windshield wipers, and stealing wallets. One tourist even said the kea unzipped their backpack and flew off with their passport. Like, bro, why you need that? But don't be mad. Keas are just incredibly curious and playful. They're one of the smartest birds on Earth, and scientists say they do it just for fun. And if you ever visit New Zealand, keep your snacks close and your dignity closer. Like and subscribe, or the next kea might come for your lunch.